out here. Are you guys feeling okay this bright morning? Yes. Okay, I hope everyone has a good day so far and will be having an even better day because we are in Padepokan Jugalan.
Itu adelo apa magenep sisa
Say it. But it's really important, really important because we have so many cultures here in Indonesia. One is Jaipongan, so we have to preserve it. We have to took it as a legacy from our culture.
sisa ngarasa seni